bring gains to persons, the other risk classified as pure, static, fundamental, and particular. The effects of risk are that is it impact on a large section of the people or a geographical area. It has capacity to produce loss and suffering to people. They have financial consequences. Uncontrollable once they occur, are predictable and no possibility of any gain. The exposure of a person is transferred to a group which is facing such homogeneous risk. Risk need not be homogeneous but may be heterogeneous. A homogeneous group can contain other groups in their own way, which have to be separately underwritten, because their risk exposure is different. Analysis of the risk based upon its characteristics is an important part of the risk management and insurance. Insurance companies are professional risk carriers and they do this by aggregating the risk. Now let us check if we have understood the various concepts discussed in this lesson clearly. A pure risk holds out the prospect of a loss or no loss, while a speculative risk holds out the prospect of a gain as well as loss or break even. Right or wrong? Right. A fundamental risk is one that is impersonal both in its origin and consequence. Right or wrong? Right. Risk arising due to dishonesty of employees and others in course of performance of their duties causing loss of money and stocks to the owner are called pure risk. Right or wrong? Wrong. Before we end, let us briefly revise what we have studied till so far. Risk is one of those words which are capable of a number of interpretations and seems to fit into various